Let us today look at this another trigonometry sum which requires you to use the right formula to reach to the final answer. My question again says sine alpha plus 2 pi by 3 plus sine alpha plus 4 pi by 3. I need to simplify this further. Now, there are two methods of going ahead with the sum. First, you open the bracket with sine a plus b at both places. Another, pause. Arrange them in ascending order. I am leaving sine alpha as it is because which I can either simplify or cancel towards the end. I write the terms always in ascending order. Now, can I read this over here as sin C plus sin D? That turns out to be 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Since there is a plus in between, sine will take the plus term. So, can I leave this sine alpha as it is and I simplify this particular part carefully as 2 sine C plus D upon 2 and cos C, be careful with the sign, minus D upon 2. Now over here this gets cancelled. Now be careful with the calculation. One of a silly mistake is you try to cancel these two terms. No, this 2 is applied to the a trigo value of sine. So leaving this as it is, can I say alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha? Now 4 pi plus 2 pi is 6 pi. Upon 3 leaves me with 2 pi upon 2. This 2 in the denominator cancels both the terms. Similarly, cos 4 pi minus 2 pi is 2 pi upon 3. The 2 in the denominator gets cancelled over here. Now, go carefully with your quadrant rule. I am saying pi plus alpha. Pi is 180. How many times 90? 2 times 90. So, sine will remain sine and alpha. Pi plus alpha is 180 plus alpha in the third quadrant. And hence your answer is negative. Cos 180 by 3, that is cos 60, is half. So hence this gets cancelled. I am left over here with sine alpha minus sine alpha, the answer for which is 0.